Okay, so there's so much space up here, but there's no table, so precarious position to do my makeup because there's no other place, and also there's no lighting. There's no overhead lighting. What kind of birds are those though? Almost got me. Look how big those waves are. Murrells Inlet. There's little duckies. We all know duckies. Came to Huntington Beach State Park. So the resort had the state park passes that we could borrow for the day. Okay, so I'm walking towards the beach now, no lifeguard on duty. It's very windy today. So it's a storm. Look how crazy big this beach is. Look at all them birds. So the storm is supposed to come this evening/afternoon, so that's why it's so overcast. We're not going to go there, but that is the Pawleys Castle. There are tours and guided tours at 2 p.m. today, but we're just not going to go. Okay, going over towards the gift shop now. Okay, over at the gift shop. I can't get out.
Oh, that's a video.
In case you need it, by the gift shop there are restrooms. We'll see how they are. These are kind of cute with beach glass. Happy as a clam. The salt and pepper shaker is so cute. There are also special wheelchairs available for on the beach if you need. On the other side of the gift shop is this nature trail, so I'm gonna take a quick look. Apparently this leads out to the Marsh Observatory. So let's see how far it takes us. Been walking about 30, maybe 45 seconds. I don't know, maybe a minute. But I think we're coming out to the end here. We as in you and me. That's a cool tree. Okay, now we're out by the marsh, which is actually where I wanted to go. Because I saw it when we first came in. There's a parking lot closer to the entrance, but you can also access it via this nature trail. I think there's other people up here, so I'm gonna turn off the camera. Coming out to the end here. There is a bird sanctuary on the other end of the park. We didn't go that far because it's kind of cold, to be honest, but they don't allow dogs in that area. Ducks are feeding. Their little butts up. Okay, so it was worth it to go out there. Just be careful with all of the routes. I would say that so far, most of South Carolina that I've experienced so far is not ADA compliant. The resort is not either, but I mean, this is nature, obviously. But yeah, it was nice that they have those beach wheelchairs available. Lunch at the Dead Dog Saloon. And everybody has one of those large, comically large Adirondack chairs for pet photos, I guess. I hope these are all live dogs. Maybe they're not, I don't know. So this was hush puppies and honey butter, and I think it's on the menu, but they just gave it to us when we sat down. This is the Dirty Myrtle. It's actually quite nice. Crab nachos, crab dip, Cajun fish bites. The storm has hit. Okay, going to Pawleys Island Tavern. It's like very much hidden right in the back here.
I was like,
On the way from Pawleys Island to Georgetown. Following the signs to the Stormy waterfront. Okay, here we are in Georgetown, so we're gonna go onto the harbor walk. It's got some cannons in there. Okay, so this is the port of Georgetown and South Carolina's third oldest city. So that's interesting, I guess. I don't know if you're into South Carolina history, but this is, I guess, the port here. So it's not the fanciest marina slash harbor I've ever seen. It's kind of quaint, cute, and they kind of kept a historic sort of feel in this area. Goes from American Frontier to Mario Lopez. South Carolina Maritime Museum. Interesting. They got some goats in there and like a friendly old man sitting in a boat. Not sure. Continuing our walk down the historic district here, there's an ice cream shop. And then here is the Rice Museum at the end. Maybe I can show you better, yeah. Here is some info about the clock tower. So actually this is quite interesting little town here. Hear me over the wind, sorry. But it has like a history of rice farming. That's quite interesting if you want to look it up on Wiki. If I remember, I'll try to put it in the links. But yeah, this is the Rice Museum. So I guess there are alligators. Okay, so we came to Captain George's Seafood Buffet. They're running a special right now, which you're not going to see this in time, but in January they were having a off-season $5 off the buffet price. So the buffet is $49.99, so with the $5 discount it is around $45. And then the claim to fame here is that they have snow crab, all you can eat. I'll try to show you as much as I can. Okay, salad bar. breads, some veg. Fries. Chicken, fish, ribs, beef. Desserts. There's also soft serve, cakes, and then fruits. Mussels, Norfolk Special, seafood boil, crab, mushrooms. Round one. So to get the crab, you go to a special station. I didn't want to show it to you because there was somebody there, like the worker. But I also got some stuffed mushroom, some boiled shrimp, and fried fish. They put out some new stuff, so it's Cajun crab legs. This is round two. They replaced a bunch of items. I got some more fish, got some fried shrimp. They have Cajun crab legs now, and then I also got just one of the clusters, and I got some jambalaya. Round three, got some barramundi, cobia, rice, she crab soup, and fried shrimps. Banana pudding and melon for dessert.
Kick